Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis on a very routine basis, including several times this week, so that's where the green and red line annotations here are coming from. And for those of you that have watched the videos, and you know hopefully you remember me talking about this overall channel that I've been talking about time and time again. The top of the channel at 46, the bottom of the channel at 28, and today a pretty big event quote unquote as far as technical traders are concerned, those that care about charts, occurred. And it was from the bearish perspective, as the price didn't get a breakout, but rather a breakdown through the bottom of that channel, and you can see the results of that. It occurred during that first 30 minutes, and then the price just tried to stabilize right there and go sideways, but then the latter part of the day came around, and you can see the bears started to show back up again and press the price back downwards. So after today's technical event, definitely quite a few updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning. Go ahead and delete this line out of there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter or risk causing confusion because there's clutter all over the place from lines. So I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does come about is from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 28 cents was definitely that very important level of support. So not that the prices blow it on any sort of bounce, that is going to be the overall area of resistance. But really, before you even talk about doing battle with that one, after today's price action, another shorter term area of resistance made itself known right there at about 23 cents. You can see there was kind of a miniature channel today, and the top of that little miniature channel right there again at that 23 cent mark. You can see several times price tried to get up above it and just couldn't quite do it. So very short term resistance, 23 cents, and then more so the overall level of resistance up there at 28 cents. But right now, top priority, not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's definitely stabilizing. And so where are some of these levels of support at? As it stands right now, the key level of support going into tomorrow is just where the bleeding stopped today, and that sits right down there at about 19.5 cents. In the event 19.5 cents cannot hold, and as you're seeing, I realize the chart's getting harder to see now, but that just shows it's been a while since the price has been down this far. But if that 19.5 cent mark can't hold, the next key level of resistance right down there around 16.5 cents. So tomorrow, I'm sure a lot of eyeballs will be on it. We'll see how it closes out the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.